Hi and welcome to the cross-office programming chapter. In this chapter, we're going to work with the most popular Microsoft Office applications, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. We'll see how we can automatically send emails from our Outlook that is installed on our computer using VBA. So we can automate sending out emails with attachments also, so you can prepare your PDF report, for example, in Excel, attach it to an email, and send an email automatically from Excel, using Outlook, of course. Next, we'll see how we can manipulate a Microsoft Word document. We'll copy some objects from Excel into Word, and we'll create new objects such as a Word table and populate that with an Excel table data. So you can have a Word template that is prepared once, and then you dynamically create reports based on that template automatically from Excel based on your Excel data. Then we'll also see how we can create PowerPoint presentations also based on Excel data. So from Excel, we will open a PowerPoint presentation, maybe a template that we have prepared in advance, and we will populate it with data and elements and shapes from Excel. So that way you can, for instance, create management presentations automatically from Excel and have the whole stream automated. Isn't that exciting? What you can do with VBA. Are you ready? Let's start now.